Hi, Christina. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, my name is Christina Biglinson. I am 37 years of age. I live in Pili, Camarines Sur, here in Philippines. I have three children, all girls. My eldest is 20, my second 17, and my youngest is 12 years old.
Okay. Are you single or married?
I'm a widow now.
Okay. And how many siblings do you have?
I have, we are two only. I'm the youngest, but my brother already died.
I see. Tell me about your educational background.
I'm undergrad college in Philippine Computer Foundation College. I took a ComSec.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I worked for in Kuwait for 5 years on one employer. I take care of three children, two boys and one girl. The eldest is 13, 7, and 2 years old.
Okay. Did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am patient, funny sometimes. I work hard, willing to learn, positive always.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo in your body?
Yes, ma'am. I have two in my arms. This one and this one. And
Okay.
also at my back.
Okay. Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Why do you want to work abroad?
I need to work abroad for my children to provide their needs, foods for their schools, and everything.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am. Because I have pet also.
Okay. And give me your idea. How can you take care of a naughty children and children with tantrums?
Well, I have already kids, but I make sure I have a long patience now. I stay calm and breathe and exhale, and I try to distract.
Okay. And for the last question, ma'am, what is your message to your future employer?
So, hi, my future employer. I am willing to learn, and I will do my best. I did make promises, but I'll do my best to make my work job well.
Okay. Do you promise to finish your contract
Yes, ma'am. I will.
if you get hired? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.